Right everybody, here we go. So yeah, same trail as before. I've been down this many more times since that last video, so I'm hopefully going to get through it a lot quicker, and I'm just going to blaze through it, go do the other one, and then I've got another one in mind, and that'll do me. But we'll see how we do. We're recording? Yeah boy. Right, so first of all, off-road mode. Let's get it on. I should put my off-road goggles on really, but I don't think I need to for this first one really, it's not that bad. I'd also like to do a little review while we're doing this ride. This will be my 500-mile review of the Tiger 800 XCA. This is my 66 plate that's now done 3,570 miles, so it's a bit over 500. I've done about 650 miles on this thing so far, and I wanted to tell you guys what I found out from riding off-road, riding on-road, and I had the luxury of riding my dad's GS again today. I say a luxury, it wasn't really that, but I got to ride a different bike, which was nice. But the thing with the GS, and as a lot of you guys might remember, I used to own a GS, and the difference between the GS and the Tiger is absolutely massive. Now, I used to have a 2008 BMW GS, and to be honest, after riding that one today, I don't know why I ever bought one, because it just feels like a tractor compared to this thing. And I know this is a modern day bike with all the equipment, but even that aside, just the weight difference makes it so much more enjoyable to ride. When I've been out with it on the with the missus on the back, just throwing it into the twisties is just so effortless, and it's actually really enjoyable. This almost rivals my MT. It's like I don't know which to go for a ride on anymore, which is a lovely situation to be in. The off-road capability of this bike is phenomenal. My girlfriend's drive is basically like a rally course, and I was bombing through that over the potholes, just sending it every way I could, and I feel comfortable just giving it a bit of the beans and stuff like that. I feel like it looks after me. Standing position while you're doing off-road work is absolutely fantastic. Your knees just, there's actually, hang on a minute, let me show you. These here, because these are so rigid in the tank, they are made for your knees just to sit and grab the tank, which gives you so much more stability. I've never ridden an Africa Twin or anything, and I probably reckon that I should, but yeah, it's great. And this bike really comes alive. I mean, I'm still on road tyres, but it really comes alive when it's dry. It's when there's mud things get a bit more complicated, but with the correct tyres on, I'm pretty sure even then it'll be absolutely fine. But road tyres when it's dry on gravel or mud isn't really a big deal, to be honest. I even did a bit of grass on it yesterday, and to be honest, it's fine. But yeah, let's get this off. This suspension is absolutely flawless. WP suspension. Take a bow. Ah, that's a big one. Yeah, honestly, I've never used the original suspension on a Tiger off-road, but this WP suspension, like, no matter what you hit, unless it's a big one, it's not that bad. And the manoeuvrability stood up on your own is phenomenal. Send it. Nice. That went alright. So yeah, blaze through that section a lot faster this time. So it's straight through here. I kind of know all the areas on this road now as well. There we go. Boom, there we go. First section done. The rest of it's pretty much pretty much very easy. Stand on a sec. There we go. So yeah, I hope everyone's alright with this global pandemic we have going on. I hope you're all okay. I reckon by next week we'll all be self-isolating. I'm not sure when we're going to go on to lockdown yet, but you know, just everyone watch yourselves. Social distancing as the government have recommended, just do a bit of all that, and we'll all be fine, I'm sure. I'm going to try and get some footage in, just so I've got stuff to to edit really, because I haven't really, because of the issues I'm having with my camera, I'm not really, oh, that's a lot of mud here. I'm not really getting any footage in, which is annoying, because like I say, I'm really in the mood for doing more videos with my new bikes. But if my camera's just making life so hard. If you leave the battery in, even if the camera isn't turned on, the battery will drain in 40 minutes, which is absolutely ridiculous for a camera that's not even turned on. The battery life should be an hour, and that's with the camera recording. So I'm not quite sure what the deal is there, but you know, we'll just have to work with what we have. Oh dear, they're not too bad when you stood up, to be honest. These are quite easy to miss, to be honest. I forgot how easy they are to forget they're there. Oh, that's neutral. Let's not do that. Right, so trail A done. Right, trail of the day number 2. This is the one that I said I couldn't do last time because it was too wet, and if you guys can see from where I am here, it's dried up massively. So we're just going to have a bit of airflow there. I might get my goggles on for the next one, and let's kill it. Hee-haw! This should be pretty straightforward. Now it's not got puddles. I did this last time with puddles, and I basically walked the entire thing with my feet down, so it's still a bit muddy and a bit cakey, but I think we're alright. Big tractor tyres, go through them fairly slowly. Up on this middle section down here. Find what bit of road's usable. Yeah, this bit was just a pit of mud like last time I came here. Oh, God. Side. I maybe sat down a bit more for the next one because it's pretty insane, but as long as I get through them, I'm happy. So that's another one down. Got through that fairly quick. And there we have it. Right, left, right, left. Christ. There we go. Cool. Done. It's another one. So now we must go towards Driffield and do the next one. So again, I'll see you guys in a minute. So again, I have no idea where I am. Or do I? Maybe I do. I do know where I am. Right, okay, that's interesting. We're near Malton now. It's a far better way of getting here. I don't know how I've done that, but jump. So, here we are at the monument. That's where we're going. Originally, I was going to go over there where that white car is, but it's been boarded off. So, let's put it in off-road mode and get going. Like I say, maybe taking it steady, maybe sitting down at parts, we'll see, I'm not sure. It is quite bumpy. But as long as I get it on film, I'm an happy bunny. I don't think they expect that many people to come down here, but we'll see. The goggles certainly help. I'm sorry if there's a little bit more wind noise, but in a minute there won't be any because I won't be going very quickly, and for ventilation purposes they're mint. I got these 100% goggles off of 100% themselves, and they are some seriously shit hot goggles, to be honest. I bought some crap ones off eBay just as a tester, as like, do I need some goggles? And yeah you do. The visor is a bit panicky at times. Right, here we go. Let's do it. Sorry if there won't be much commentary, I'm really going to have to focus in a minute. Right, on to first gear. There was actually, last time I came down here, there was actually a river running down this. First half done. This part is very dependent on how much rain we've had, and we haven't had rain in a while, but you never know if it's still going to be boggy, because like around here there's a lot of clay that comes up from the ground, and I think, do I want to be on that high a bit? I can't quite remember. Oh well, we're here now. I think you do. I think you want to be on the high a bit, actually. I think I'm making this really difficult for myself. Yeah, alright, hang on. Yeah, right, let's do it now. Now's your chance. There we go. Yeah, I was going to say, because I just remembered down here, the rocks start to take the piss a bit. Steady. The first time I did this was when it had been raining for about a month. Oh shit. Just hang on a minute. God. Right, I've sloped back down. That wasn't ideal. That wasn't what was meant to happen. Because now it's going to pull me to the left. And it's really trying. Right, let's go. Just keep it steady. There we go. It's just I couldn't get my foot on that back brake, and then that's when I started to slide off. Right, I've never made it to the end without putting my feet down. Well, I just did then, technically, but I mean like this bit I've never done it all without putting my feet down. There we go. Oh dear. There we go, nice. Stay there, stay there. Awesome. Whew. That was a bit harder than the others. Oh, and a nice little skid to finish. Mint. Right. Oh, God. That was tiring. Oh, so I'll just show you what we've just accomplished. Was this? It's a right little road, that. I love it. You can see there, you could take one or two paths, but I think that right path is considerably worse. Saying that, now it's drier, I reckon you could do either. You could probably do either. That's all the trail riding I have for you today. I'll be back soon doing some more videos. I hope you all stay safe, look after yourselves, be kind to one another, just general things. And yeah, hopefully you guys will hear from me soon, just whenever I can get my camera to behave itself for now. But anyway, look after yourselves, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you later.